Hello and welcome to another episode of Student Guys on University Guys channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to access the KNUST eLearning portal. That's what we have here as the KNUST eLearning Center. We have two e-learning portals. This is the one that anybody at all can go and take a course, right, and get a certificate out of the course that you do. So you don't have to be a KNUST student before you go to this platform to take a course. And we have the main learning portal, which demands students logins before. So that one can be accessed from the apps.knust portal. You search apps KNUST portal, it will bring you here. Then you search for apps.knust portal, which is what we have here at the URL, apps KNUST edu gh, right? This will bring you to the useful portals that they have there for students. So this is where you can locate the student portal, which is what we have here. Then you click on it to log into your student portal. And within your student portal, you will have the link to access the e-learning platform where it just upload learning resources for a particular course, right? For the student taking that particular course that we have. Yeah, so for you to be able to access that platform, you have to be a student. But for this one, you don't have to be a student. So we can just open a new portal, then search for KNUST eLearning portal. After searching this, you have it here as the first link that will appear, eLearning KNUST, right? So we will click on it and this will bring us to the home page. You can actually explore this platform to see other features that they have there. You can make some inquiries, request for support, video tutorials, then online resources. But we are here to really take a look at the online courses that they have and how you can enroll. So we will click on the short courses here. This will bring us to some of the courses that they have on this platform and their duration. So looking at this first course that we have here, this is costing about 700 Ghana cedis and it's fully online. You don't have to be on KNUST campus before you take this course, or you do not have to even be a student before you take this course. All right, and it's going to last for 3 days. Right after you get your certificate. Okay, so this is non-communicable diseases. There is a course, management and governance, which is a course costing about 1,000 Ghana cedis, 1,000 Ghana cedis, going to last for 5 days. So you can click on it to read more. There are more courses that you can find down here when you scroll down. All right, so as time goes on, they keep on uploading courses. Some of them happen live, so if you don't come early to take that course, I mean buy that course, you might miss the opportunity to take that online course. So we can click on this. That's the fundamentals of project management. Then these are the details of the course, right? So we don't have the start date yet and we don't have the end date yet, but it's going to last for 3 days. So when you click on the link to view the course details, you take note of the start date. It's not like you buy the course and anytime at all you can just go in there to take the lesson. Like, it's going to be live. So they will bring the start date when they are going to start that course and the end date, depending also on the number of people who register for that course. Alright, so they will gather you all at once, then as time goes on, they will break up the dates for you to go and take this course. So here are the details of the course description, then what you will learn after taking this course, and other courses that you have here which are available. So if you are interested in this course, then you book it. But at this case, what we have here, we do not have the start date and the end date, so we do not have the payment session showing. So let's move back a little bit to the one that we might have the date showing. That will allow us to buy the course. So you can see from this one, we have 23rd of June 2026 and it's going to end at 25th, giving you a duration of 3 days starting at 5 p.m. in the evening. Now that you have the dates and the details when it's going to start, you can click here to register. like I said, you do not have to be a student before you can take this course. It's going to be purely online, and right after taking the course, you will get your certificate. Okay, so you can stay at the comfort of your home, not being a student of KNUST, and still take a course from KNUST. So here's where you make the payments, and the rate of this course is 700 Ghana cedis. Okay, 700 Ghana cedis. So once you accept, then you can click on start now for you to fill. You enter your name, your other names, your last name, your WhatsApp number, your email address, nationality, gender. You click on next, then you proceed to the last part. So I'm going to forward this process so that we can get to the last class where we will make the payment and we will see how we are going to deal with that. After filling that form and you click on the next, this will bring you to this page where you'll be asked to join the official WhatsApp platform where most of the information will be communicated to you. And right after that, it will kindly click on the link below. The prompt message will appear by clicking on the submit button to join the official. So once you click on this, you'll be able to join the official platform where all the payments will continue. So this is how to pay for a course and take a course on the KNUST Student eLearning platform. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, kindly put it in the comment section and we will be right there to assist you. For now, I'll say goodbye.